Hey girls, in today's nail art tutorial I am gonna show you how you can create a play button design on your nails. This design is very simple and very easy and you can easily create it. For this, first apply a base coat to protect your natural nails. And for this design we just need a two color, white and red. Apply a red color as a base color. Now make a small triangle using a white nail polish. I am using Nike matte white nail polish. I like the Nike matte nail polish. And use a brush to create a triangle. After making a small triangle, filling it with a white nail polish, and I'm gonna repeat this process to all my nails. This is so easy and so simple. You can easily create this design. And do not forget to apply a top coat because it will give extra shine to your nails and it will protect your nail. I hope you like this nail design. If you like, then hit the like button, comment below and subscribe to my channel.